creation. If you really wanna know me, look under your feet and high to the heavens. I'm everywhere around you if you really care to see. I'm an unknown author to the day you believe in me. High above the mountaintops, courage wrapped in feathers, 1,000 miles alone, the little bird finds its home. Are you filled with admiration and geniusness around you? Fascinated with small things, and then you see the lightning. He said, look at my creation if you really want to